Let's solve this together. It says 7 raised to the power x is equal to 147. We are about to solve for x in this question. Okay? First things first, we can write out the multiples of 147. Okay? So 147 is equal to, we have 3, we have times 7, times 7. Okay? Now, 7 times 7 can be written as 7 squared. So this can be written as 3 multiplied by 7 squared. Alright? Now, this is 147. We can go ahead and replace 147 with 3 times 7 squared in this given equation. So we have that 7 raised to the power x is equal to 3 multiplied by 7 squared. Okay? Now, at this point, you can say let's take the logarithm of both sides. So we have the logarithm of 7 raised to the power x is equal to logarithm of 3 multiplied by 7 squared. Okay? Now, at this point, this logarithm we are taking, I'm going to take it in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x is 7, alright? This is the number carrying x. We're going to take the logarithm in the base of 7. So this is logarithm in base 7 of both sides, alright? Now, logarithm of a number raised to a power, alright? This is the power here, x. You have to multiply the power with the log, okay? So we have that x will now multiply log of 7 to base 7, and this is equal to, on the right hand side, when you have multiplication, you split up and put plus. So we have log to base 7 of 3 plus log to base 7 of 7 squared. Okay? Moving on from here, log of a number to its own base is 1. Okay, so log of 7 to base 7 will give you 1. 1 times x is x. To be equal to log of 3 to base 7 plus, now, for log of 7 to base 7, log of 7 squared to base 7, when you have this, you multiply the power, okay? Alright, so this becomes equal to, okay, so we have x is equal to log of 3 to base 7 plus, again, log of 7 to base 7 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, okay? So this now becomes the final answer for x in this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.